Hi viewers, how are you? I am Naresh, PG Assistant in Commerce Department. I am working in Vedatri Maharshi Higher Secondary School. Today useful very information I given to you. This topic is e-commerce. E-commerce is known as the online based networking based commerce. All the transaction used for the only for the online. The electronic devices only doing that. Especially nowadays a lot of social media is having that WhatsApp, Twitter, Instagram, lot of that, emails, everything is doing the some ad as well as given to the traders. Welcome introduction the e-commerce, the planning and executing of the conception, distribution, promotion, pricing the products, services in the computerized base. All the devices and all the activities only doing for the computer based network environments. The internet and the world wide web to facilitate exchanges and satisfy the customer demands. What are the having the customer demands, especially given the very fastest way in the for the e-commerce, the 24 hours availability in the release. I tell that very important general impact for the e-commerce. The 40 million people's employed in the e-commerce nowadays. Greater opportunities of entrepreneurship as well as supply chain areas, warehouses, delivery points, everything is do that. Especially purchase and sales are every services only online mode. The financial service given for the payments oriented, receipts oriented, goods and delivery tracking methods, the packing methods and the shipment, when is given to the delivery, as well as cost reduces the very less expensive customers as well as the time savers for the buyers, sellers and customers. Also 24 hours trading availability in the online, and then benefits for the traders. Traders means buyers as well as sellers, as well as given the WhatsApp, Twitter, Facebook, email, the very good information having that. The innovative social media is always there, buying Flipkart, Amazon, like that, etc. It's very useful for vendors as well as buyers. And then e-commerce kinds of commerce, the kinds of commerce e-commerce models having that B2B, B2C, C2C, and C2B, B2G, G2B, G2C. The business to business, automobile industry is always the business to business doing that. That is electronic based commerce. The automobile industry is a lot of parts created different located localities, but organized in the one place. After that conclusion given that, and then direct selling milk vendors B2C into the business to consumer customers. The milk vendors direct selling to the customers, buying and directing consumer as well as given to the customers, as well as C2C, the customers to customers, newspapers, auctions, the ஏலம் எடுத்துலாம் சொல்லுவாங்க, that is C2C business available. And then second hand goods, customers to business, some already used products given to the business oriented, reproduction oriented. And then B2G, the business to government, some business given to the government sectors like that taxation department as well as the insurance department. And then government to business, government sectors given to the business, G2B, the industry needed for the any loans, finance oriented helping provided for the banks, banking sectors. And then G2C, government to customers, the government some facility given to the customers, transportation like that hospitality, everything. And then conclusion given that clearly shown that e-marketing impacts upon the business in the number of important ways. When used effectively, e-marketing campaign and strategies have the potential to reach customers in a speedy and low cost manner, and can provide promotion for a wide range of products and services. So lot of ways have that the e-marketings in number of packages available. Thank you viewers, we will see next class. Thank you. Bye bye.